So I'm getting ready to put the head back on, and I thought I would check the thermostat housing. Caterpillar calls them regulators, but they're basically inside this. And I noticed there's a lot of pitting in here. It's not too bad, but I don't like the way it looks. But the reason I'm making these videos is because of, or this video is because of these seals. So the thermostat sits in here, right? And it pushes down and it goes inside that seal. And a lot of times those are worn out or not installed correctly, and you'll have all sorts of problems keeping the truck at the right temperature. So you can drive those in with like a hammer and a socket, but they're so easy to damage. So the way I do it is this tiny little press, there's nothing to it. And this socket, which is just a 2-inch socket, so it should be about the same anywhere. So I use a little bit of grease on the seal, just a little tiny bit, and I set it in there. And then this 2-inch socket, and it should be the same for most 2-inch sockets, it fits in there perfectly. Then we can just use this old press, and that fits in there perfectly. And it will apply even pressure to this and put the seal in without damaging it. So that's kind of important. If you are putting in new seals, that's definitely the best way to do it. If all you have is a hammer and a 2-inch socket, at least use a socket that presses evenly on there and then, you know, tap it into place. But if you can, I think that press at Harbor Freight is like $20 or something. So definitely the best way to go.